Yeah, let's go for a drive. Little tunnel here. That's why I couldn't hear it that well. It's alright. I hope you guys can even hear the audio, because I haven't set up any of the mic stuff with the GoPro. But yeah, we're chilling. Just cruising around. Brakes are nice. Stock suspension on here. I was gonna back in the recline. Alright, we got what we came for. Got the stuff we needed. Let's go home. I think it stopped raining. Nope, a little bit of sprinkles. Well, we're fine. Tire pressure monitor fault, that's not true. It just don't have them programmed to the actual thing. Thingy or whatever you want to call it. Alrighty. Skedaddle now, shall we? Alright. Put this thing in manual mode. Manual mode. Got a GT over there. Got a fellow 2014 or so GT. Turn right here. Fellow Mustangs. Got another Mustang over there, like a got a lot of Mustangs out today, boys. Yes sir, yes sir. You'd love to see it. You'd love to see it. I want to turn off traction control fully, but I don't know if that's a good idea. We'll just turn it off. Traction control is off, guys. You know what that means. Oh my gosh, chat. No way that just happened. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We did it, boys. Holy crap. Holy crap. All right, boys. Let's get her done. Did you see that? Did you see that? Alright, chat. Watch this, boys. Not chat. Alright, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I couldn't let off. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. I know it was a short video, but let me know what I should do next with my 2012 V6 Mustang. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Peace.